Good day, grade 7 learners. In our previous activity, you noticed that some statements sounded strange or unusual. However, even if these seem unusual, you will still be able to understand them. Today, we will learn why. Our lesson focuses on three figures of speech: irony, oxymoron, and paradox. Let us discuss them one by one. Let us begin with irony. Irony happens when what actually occurs is the opposite of what we expect. In simple words, it is when the result is surprising because it is different from what we thought would happen. Example: a lifeguard drowns while swimming. We can question that, why is this ironic? Because a lifeguard's job is to save people from drowning. We expect a lifeguard to be very good at swimming, but instead the lifeguard drowns. The opposite of what we expect happens. That makes the situation ironic. Remember, irony is about unexpected outcomes. Now, let us talk about oxymoron. An oxymoron is a phrase made up of two opposite or contradictory words placed side by side. These two words have opposite meaning, but when combined, they create a new meaning. Example: bittersweet moment. Bitter and sweet are opposite tastes, but together they describe a moment that is both happy and sad at the same time. Remember, oxymoron uses two opposite words together in one phrase. Now let us move to paradox. A paradox is a statement that seems confusing, impossible, or untrue at first, but actually expresses a deeper truth. It may sound wrong, but when you think about it carefully, it makes sense. Example: the only constant in this world is change. It sounded contradictory because something constant should not change, right? But in reality, change always happens in life. That is the deeper truth. Remember, paradox is a whole statement that seems false but reveals truth. Now, we have a comparison chart of the three figure of speech that show contrast. Irony, a figure of speech in which the opposite of what we expected happens. Oxymoron, uh, two opposite words are placed together in a phrase. Lastly, paradox, a full statement that seems false but expresses a deeper truth. All three shows contrast, but they work in different ways. Writers use irony, oxymoron, and paradox to make reader think deeply, express complex emotions, add creativity and meaning to writing. As you answer the next part of the activity, try to identify how this figure of speech creates contrast and deeper meaning in text. Thank you for watching. You may now proceed to the next section of the